This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. If you have any questions about the instructions in this video or are not comfortable performing the installation demonstrated, contact manufacturer's customer service. Before you begin the microwave oven installation, refer to the installation manual for a list of recommended tools and parts you may need. For proper installation, the cabinet opening will need to be 28.5 inches wide, with a recommended height of 17 5/8 inches. A minimum depth of 21 7/8 inches is required, along with the 2 3/16 inches of clearance above the opening and a 1-inch clearance below. The electrical supply for the appliance must be 240 volts at 60 Hz. A dedicated circuit is required. First, assemble and install the provided spacer kit if applicable. With the flange facing outward, align a spacer bar on the bottom trim and secure it with 2 3/8-inch washer screws. Do the same to align and secure the opposite spacer bar. Now center the spacer assembly against the lower front edge of the cabinet opening. Using a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit, drill through the mounting holes in the spacer bars to create pilot holes. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to thread and tighten the 4 3/4 inch flathead screws to secure the spacer assembly. Avoid over-tightening the screws. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install microwave oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Remove any packaging materials from the microwave oven, as well as the glass tray, support, and any other accessories if applicable. Resting the appliance on a piece of cardboard, have an assistant help you to set the microwave on a cart or countertop adjacent to the cabinet opening. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before making any electrical connections, make sure the power supply to the junction box is turned off. If necessary, remove the junction box cover. Use a UL-listed or CSA-approved 1/2 inch diameter conduit connector to connect the flexible cable conduit from the microwave oven to the junction box. Tighten the screw or screws to secure the conduit. Now join the black wires together and secure them using an approved UL-listed wire nut. Do the same to secure the 2 red wires together and the 2 white wires. Finally, join the green or bare grounding wire or wires to the bare grounding wire from the microwave oven and secure them with a wire nut. With all of the wires positioned inside the junction box, replace and secure the cover. Using 2 or more people, align the microwave oven on the spacer bars, if applicable. Open the microwave oven door and push against the front frame of the oven to fully insert the appliance in the cabinet. Confirm the appliance is centered. Then use a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit to drill pilot holes, using the holes in the side mounting brackets as templates. Align the plastic washers with the holes in the mounting brackets. Then thread and tighten the 2 3/4 inch flathead screws to secure the appliance to the cabinet. Avoid over-tightening. Replace the glass tray support and the tray as well. Turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.